Used to be such a beautiful place, but now you're down to the street and things don't seem the same.
Well, yeah,
Hands are in the air, it makes no sense to me, and I cannot explain this tragedy.
Medic's trying to pick it for us through this.
Okay.
He's used to a Peruvian bit, but like